I thought this Xbox One motherboard is gonna be just a normal repair. But yeah, somebody attempted to repair this thing and they made a complete disaster all the way to the chip. Let's try to fix it. Look at the backside here. Let's remove this dumb port. Putting this under the heat and it's bubbling. We remove the port here and we see the damage. All right, let's put this brand new port on. All right, so we got that port on here. It's looking nice, and now we need to retrace those rip traces. Just ran the first 2 traces here, and the third one we're waiting to connect. The third one came out solid, the best one of all. Let's move on to this one. All right, that was run. Now that final one that goes underneath that booster chip right here. Now we have to remove this chip, and let's see if we can work with something. All right, it seems like the pad is still there, so let's connect something to it. All right, we connected it to the pin here. Gotta put a mask on it. All right, now let's cure it. All right, the mask hardened. Let's see if we can put this chip on. All right, I think we have it here. Let's go test. Okay, I have it in my test rig here. Let's power it on. It still powers on. That's a good sign. And the tester does say there should be something. I don't see anything on the screen though. Womp womp. I mean, what we didn't do is we didn't replace this chip here. I mean, that chip could also cause that, so let's do it. Remove the chip here, but now let's retrace. We ran the 2 traces here, 1 more to go. All right, everything is prepped, the chip and the pads over here. All right, the chip was installed here looking fresh. This is all flux. We're not gonna clean it right now because of all these wires. Let's go test. Now let's test. Still powers on, that's a good sign. And the tester says okay, and we have it on the screen. Nice.